What's up, everybody? Brian, SoCo Customs. More snow and wind on the docket, so I'm going to have to dub over this one, but you know the drill. Go ahead and click the subscribe button in the bottom right corner and give this a thumbs up. Hey guys, Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel here with another build for you. This is a 2007 Chevy Avalanche that we sent up 3.5 inches on the rough country kit. These trucks are awesome. They always had a ton of power and they really take a lift kit well. The wheels are the XD Spy. These are a 17x9 with a -12 offset. And then we did the 285/70 R17 Toyo tires AT2s. That is 11.2 inches wide, 33.8 inches tall, and there was no trimming required for this setup. This kit gives this truck an awesome stance. Thanks guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and leave any questions in the comment section below. Talk to you guys soon.